Ready to race, race number 4. Away they go. Amazing mix by the rallies. Entry number 2, Bruno Scott. Mama! Don't preach in between runners. Moving up by the rallies, Michika. And on the outside, fifth, Kitty West by the run. My wife knows all purple ribbon. And Whistler is running at the tail of the field. Number 2, Bruno Scott by Hapaland, followed by Mama. Don't preach by the rallies, Michika. Amazing mix in between runners. Kitty West alongside is Whistler. Running by the run, My Wife Knows All, and Purple Ribbon is now running at the tail of the field. Bruno's Cat, Mama Don't Preach on the outside is amazing mix. Michika, Kitty West, and Whistler. And rounding the far turn, Bruno's Cat, Amazing Mix, Mama Don't Preach, Michika, Kitty West, and Whistler as they race the final corner. Hordes of horses fighting for the lead. Mama Don't Preach, Amazing Mix, Michika by Darrell. Michika by Darrell, Mama Don't Preach on the outside is Bruce Cat and Whistler. It's still Michika by Darrell and Mama Don't Preach. And finally, Michika.